What do you do when you want to host a website online? Buy a hosting plan? How many times do you have to go to web hosting company, pay for a hosting plan, before you can host a website online? Now let me tell you this. No matter what plan you buy, there will always be a limitation in some important area, and crossing this limit can break your website in result to this, or this. But why? Here is reason. Any web hosting you see out there are created for commercial purpose only. Long ago, before you can host a website online, you have 3 options. Number 1, code your website yourself. Number 2, hire someone to do this for you. Number 3, buy a hosting plan from web hosting company, which is still relevant till today. But what if you can't code a website? And you don't have much money to hire someone to do this for you? That's why you go to web hosting company and buy a hosting plan that have limitation. Because you have no other choice. But what if you can create your own private web hosting for cheap price? Obviously, when you have your own web hosting, you can host unlimited websites, receive unlimited visitors without any limitation. Because you are the owner of the web hosting. Listen, creating a web hosting may be difficult, but with my unlimited web hoster, it's easy. Introducing to my unlimited web hoster, number 1 digital course that teach you step by step how to create your own web hosting for as low as $5 or $10 per month and host unlimited websites without any limitation. Here is the reason why it's easy. No coding skill required, no technical experience needed. You get step-by-step, copy and paste method to create your own web hosting. Plus, you get full access to members area where you can get every material needed to create web hosting. And in 10 minutes you have your own web hosting create. So you can forget about expensive and limited web hosting plans. Click the button below to get my unlimited web hoster. Here is what you get for free when you act now. Number 1, $100 free credit for 60 days to start your own web hosting. Number 2, free video and tool, need to move your websites to your own web hosting. Number 3, free members update for free. Number 4, learn how to back up your website inside Google Drive account for free. Number 5, full support anytime. All this bonus goes away after the countdown below, and the price of this course increased to normal prices. Click the buy button now and join the smart people that are using their own private web hosting.